This is the XDS test channel from Westwood One Technical Operations Center in Purchase, New York.
A civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas: Oregon, Clark, Washington, at 12:15 a.m. on April 5th, 2019, effective until 3:15 a.m. The alert tone you just heard indicate that your emergency alert system has been activated. This system, now being tested, is activated. And property, your local bring you these messages. This test Oregon Emergency Management and property. Your local broadcasters volunteer to donate their time to bring you these messages. This test
A civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas: Oregon, Clark, Washington, at 12:15. A civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas. The alert tones you just heard indicate that your emergency alert system has been activated. This system, now being tested, is activated for Amber Alerts. When children are abducted and investigators wish to enlist your help recovering these children, the National Weather Service and your local public safety officials use the emergency alert system to warn you of events that pose threats to your life, health,
the National Weather Service and your local public safety officials use the emergency alert system to warn you of events that pose threats to your life, health, and property. Your local broadcasters volunteer to donate their airtime to bring you these messages. This test message was originated by Oregon Emergency Management.
Sweet. Oregon successfully tested.